My name is John Harold G. Duana from Group 8, and I will discuss the models of traffic flow. Traffic flow models are based on the assumption that there is some relation between the distance of the vehicles and their velocity. With the basic relationships among traffic flow, speed, and density formalized, attention can now be directed towards a more microscopic view of traffic flow. That is, instead of simply modeling the number of vehicles passing a specified point on a highway in some time interval, there is considerable analytic value in modeling the time between the arrivals of successive vehicles. So what this basically means is that we can now analytically predict how and when vehicle successfully arrives in a traffic flow. The most simplistic approach to vehicle arrival modeling is to assume that all vehicles are equally or uniformly spaced. This results in what is termed a deterministic uniform arrival pattern. Under this assumption, the traffic flow is 360 vehicles per hour. The number of vehicles arriving in any 5-minute time interval is 30, and the headway between all vehicles is 10 seconds. To make it short, assuming how many vehicles arrives inside a traffic flow could help us predict how many vehicles actually arrives in the flow of the traffic with a certain time interval. However, actual observations show that this method is unrealistic because not all time intervals are likely to have lesser traffic flow than the other intervals. So the Poisson model. Models that account for the non-uniformity of flow are derived by assuming that the pattern of vehicle arrivals corresponds to some random process. The problem then becomes one of selecting a probability distribution that is reasonable representation of observed traffic arrival patterns, and that is called the Poisson distribution, which is expressed as probability of having vehicles in time is equals to the average vehicle flow multiplied by the duration of the time interval raised to n times the natural logarithm raised to negative average vehicle flow times the duration of the interval over n factorial. So, although the Poisson distribution is widely used in road traffic problems, little is known of the upper limit where it ceases to be a good approximation. By concentrating on the counting distribution, this study has shown that the Poisson approximation is valid for conditions up to the practical capacity of the facility being considered, and that in this critical range where the variance becomes much greater than the mean, the normal distribution is a better approximation. Reference is made to dependency between the traffic streams, a relationship which causes the Poisson approximation to be invalid. A comparison is made with earlier studies. So although the Poisson model is a great method on how to predict the outcome of a traffic flow, there are also limitations to this method. Like when the limit of vehicles is reached, the approximation fails, and studies have shown that Poisson model could only be valid in the maximum capacity of the facility that is being used. And that's when the Poisson distribution fails. So that's all. Thank you.